Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you a new spanking new video. Yeah, today I'm doing the 24-hour handcuff to your best friend. Fun. So, what's the time? Makayla. Currently 8:42, which means 8:42 tomorrow is when we'll be unhandcuffed. Right now, this is gonna be fun soon.
You need this one or the other one? You need this one. No.
Wait, what?
I've never been handcuffed before in my life.
Is that good? Or do you need one more? Okay, so now we're handcuffed 24 hours, and I'm going to vlog throughout the day because we're going to run errands with my parents, and this is already too tight for me, and I should probably loosen it. There's my dog. But yeah, check back in with you later. Okay guys, so handcuffed, and we're going to eat at Golden Corral right now, and this should be interesting. This is how we get out of the car. I gotta open the door, Makayla. Oh god. Okay. Oh. Yeah, not a fun time. Check back in with you in like 5 minutes. Okay, so currently this is how we're eating. Oh. She gotta use her left hand because she's right-handed and I'm right-handed. So she has to use her left hand and not her right hand. And this is interesting. People are already staring at us and I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, how do you feel about it?
Fine, I guess.
She's so enthusiastic, you know.
Am I supposed to be excited about this?
Yes, I don't know. I don't know really. Where else are we doing today? Yeah, we gotta go grocery shopping and other stuff, and it's fine. Is Mom working today?
No, she's not.
So Mom won't see us. But yeah, we'll check back with you later. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, so now we're, oh god. Now we're at a grocery store. We're at Aldi's. We need a quarter mother. But yeah, this is how our day's going so far. Yeah. Apparently we're two escaping convicts. Got a hair on it! Ah! Get it off! Ooh. Okay, so now we have to push the basket together. This should be great. This is great. We're having a fun time.
No, we're not.
No, my wrist hurts. Over it. I don't know how we're gonna sleep. That's gonna be interesting. But yeah, I think next we have to go like to Walmart or something. I don't know, but yeah, check back in with you. It's a rough day. People are giving me looks, but yeah. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is how we get in the car. You're gonna get in first. Ow! She's gonna drive later, so that's gonna be interesting. But yeah. Well, that was interesting. What'd you say? Okay, so we're currently in Walmart getting ish. Well, I don't even know what time it is. Let me just tell you, I think we're both ready for this to be over. Everybody thinks that like it's all bad and stuff, and it's not that bad. Is it? I don't know either. But yeah, we're probably just gonna get a lot of looks, which I go figure. But yeah, I hope you guys are liking the video. We're gonna more things to come tonight, but yeah, so fun times in the neighborhood. Well, see you in a bit. Okay guys, driving it is, and fun times. Not really sure how we got in, not really sure how we're gonna get out, but you'll find out. And yeah.
Out on that side.
Yeah, here's the interesting part now. Here we go. Oh. Open the door.
We made it.
Well, there we go. We still got, I don't know how many hours, but okay. I'm really over it. And not to mention that we're gonna have to film how we got in the car later because we gotta go get her bag. Fun times for me. My phone won't leave me alone, okay. But yeah.
Hi.
Bye. Okay guys, we're about in. Let's yeah, dun, dun, dun. Okay. Later we're going to film more videos for you guys. So if you see like later videos with us in these, then you know why. But yeah, and then we'll check back in with you tonight. We're on our way to go get some food and some good chicken express.
Good.
Yep. Car, I get it, I know. Safety first. I'm sorry. Yeah, we got story time. We got a lot of weird looks and laughter today. But hey, that's why I do it, right?
No.
Okay.
That's wrong. She does it for the views.
That's exactly why I do it. Look at the puppy! Oh my god, look at the puppy! Okay, sorry. They're cute. And Key? And Key over there.
Where's the key?
And Key over there. Oh, well, anyways. Can't see your chicken jewel check.
There's no key.
There was a key and it just disappeared, okay? It's a Houdini key.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, we're at my house now. And it's fun experience, I guess. I'm all stilty because I only have the one hand. And yeah. So okay. See you later. Okay, well, I look like a hot mess and she's got to pee, so if you want to know how this works. It's a great advantage of having a wall between Are you having a problem?
Little problem.
So yeah,
Sorry.
we'll check back in with you, in a little bit. You can see all the mountains on my face. Oh, that's great. Ow!
I'm sorry.
Bending my arm here. But yeah, okay. Bye, see you in a bit. Okay, so it's 10:41. I look gross. I guess it's safe to say we could take these off. We were actually really tired. We didn't go to sleep until almost 3 a.m. last night, and
I have pants on, by the way.
yeah, she's not naked. We were just really tired. After all the running and then not going to sleep and stuff like that. But sleeping was interesting. We slept with these and then a dog. I am really sorry that I didn't vlog us like getting into bed last night like most people do, but like I was tired. You're gonna have to forgive me. Case is breaking, or is that just how it's made? Pretty sure that's just how it's made. But I almost hit myself in the face. Yeah, Lori, everybody can see that. But I almost hit myself in the face. I hope that. But here we go. If I can get it in there. I am so happy that my wrist is free because my wrist hurts. It's gonna feel bad, dude. It's gonna feel like we have them on still, and oh my god. But ooh. That was the handcuff to a person for 24 hours. I've seen a lot of people do like their ex and stuff, but I would have had to date somebody for that. So I just grabbed a best friend. Probably better than an ex or a sibling like Harrison did. I don't really have one of those either. She counts as one, but anyways. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm really compelled. But yeah, please push that subscribe button if you want more. Like I said earlier in the video, we did a bunch of more videos with the handcuffs because I was like, oh hey, let's get, this would be interesting. And it was. Oh my god, last night we were watching a movie and I literally, because we have 2 recliners, I literally had to push them together just for us to watch the movie, and I had to sit there like this the whole time. And it was just, it was weird. It was just not normal. But yeah, I highly kind of recommend it. It's very interesting and I feel like it's very funny to watch. People stared at us and left, and it was pretty funny. But anyways, yeah, I'm still talking, still tired. I'm probably gonna go back to sleep because I don't get up until 2. So anyways, yeah, okay, that's all I gotta say. Bye.
Bye.